Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chowdhury. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine, and today is the first day of winter. It's the 21st December, and today friends I'll be sharing a nice recipe on an instant pot, and many people have asked give us a good review and give us the things which go how to cook about in an instant pot, and whether Indian cookers or prestige cookers are better. But I would say that I had two cookers which already got spoiled, and it was getting hard for me to get their whistles and their gaskets. So instant pot is really good, friends. I just love it, and today I'll be sharing my review. And this is not a sponsored video, but I've bought this and I really love it. And it's a 3-quart one, and it's 7-in-1, and it gets cooked from pressure cooking, yogurt, steaming, and everything. I'll show you once I start, and here it goes. Today I'll be doing an instant pot review, which is 7-in-1, and it says pressure cook, slow cook, make rice, yogurt, and more. And this is how it looks, and it came out like this. And I really love this instant pot. This is a 3-quart one, so I'll be reviewing it and telling you how good did my meals come out. So here it is. This is the instant pot, which how I got it, and it looks like this. I'm shooting it this way that I had to keep it on the stool because it's so heavy and I could not lift it all by myself. I had to rinse my hand and sanitize all the box and all, so it had become little difficult, but I'll show you all the pictures closely. This is how is the other side. It says fast and easy, safety first, and you can pause and read it actually. So I'm showing you very closely. This is how I can get it all through it. So this is the main part which had to be shown. This is the instant pot, 7-in-1. You can read it all so closely. I'm showing you so well. So this is how it is. I got, friends. So I'll just sanitize my hands again and wash it and show you all again and start cooking. So friends, here I bought this from walmart.com, and it costed me $53, but with tax and all it was again $58 to $59. You must have seen me making things in this Indian prestige cooker. I had bought this when I had come to the US, and I had bought it like 4 or 5 years back when I had gone to India. So this cookers have really lost its charm now, and it's been sold. They served me very well actually. So this is how it looks after I put all the dishes in the dishwasher and everything. So it's really lost its charm. So I'll show you the instant pot now. So here I have two instant pots. Both are 3-quarts, and it's very good for my family. For 4 members it's very good actually. So this is how the instant pot looks. It has the soup broth, it has the meat stew, bean chili, slow cook, saute, pressure cook, delay, start, keep warm, cancel, yogurt, pressure cook, steam, porridge, and rice. I have used this so many times that I really love it. Today I'll be sharing how to make fried rice using all the vegetables and all, and how to saute it. I'll be taking you step by step, and I really love it. And this is how it comes. And this when it is hot, it's too hot, you should never touch this, and it already says do not touch. So I'll give you a full review. So this is the venting, this is the sealing after it is getting cooked, and here is the wire which goes along with it, and you just have to just plug it off. So it has this. So I really love it. So very good it is. So I've just plugged it on. Now I'll keep it on the saute mode. It says 30, but we don't need it because we'll again unplug it and we'll start the process from there. And right now I'm taking some oil. I'm just eyeballing over here like 3 or 4 spoons of oil. So over here I've taken 3 kinds of seeds which I'll be putting it. There are fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds and cumin seeds. So I'm adding this now. So I'm adding all the mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds and cumin seeds. So here I've chopped ginger, I've chopped garlic, and garlic I took 2 pods and I took 1 inch of ginger. Over here I have peas and carrots washed and ready to be put in the fried rice. I'm adding all the ginger and garlic which I have chopped. Now I'm adding all the veggies. I only had carrots and peas. You can add whatever veggies you have. You can add potatoes. So here I've taken 2 cups of rice. I'm washing it 2 or 3 times so that all the bad liquid comes out. Just wash it well so that all the pesticides and all whatever they have put on this rice. You should never eat rice without not washing it. It's very bad because it has very bad levels of pesticides. So I washed it 2 or 3 times and I still feel that creamy water is still coming out, so I'll be rinsing it once more. So altogether I have washed it 4 times. So I'm adding the rice now. I'll be sauteing it for 1 or 2 minutes. Then I'll put water accordingly how much rice I have. So I've taken just 2 cups and 2 cups are enough for my family. I don't like leftover food, as you all know. So I'm adding 4 cups of water actually. So I've already added 4 cups of water. Now we'll add some spices and give it a good flavor and a color. It looks good, smells good, and it will obviously taste very good. So I'm just adding some black pepper so that it doesn't give acidity and all. So it will give a very good flavor. So now I'm putting 1 teaspoon of salt. Here I'm adding red chili powder. Depends on how much spicy you want. So now I've stirred it up well and mixed up everything. All the spices and all the water got blended well. And it will get cooked in some minutes. So now I'm just closing. Over here it says close, open and all. So I've closed it. Now I'm keeping it on the ceiling. I've kept it on ceiling. So now it's on off mode and now I put it on rice. And I just leave it and it will get cooked in 12 minutes. Here my food is ready and it says LO01. That means it's fully cooked. So I'll just open it. There goes the steam. We'll wait for a second or 2 till the steam is finished. So friends, the rice got cooked. I showed you. I have vented it out well and it is already vented. Now I'm opening the instant pot and here it looks. So look at this friends, how nice the rice has come. I'm very happy. It smells good. It tastes good. It looks so good. And I'm sure it's going to taste so good. And you can have any dip with it. And friends, one more thing I forgot to tell you. I bought these bowls from Costco. They are so good. I really loved it. I've added a new crockery item to my this one. It was like 6 this one, 6 in a pack. But I already broke 1. So I'm left out with 2. I'll show you the second one also. It was 3 or 6, I'm not sure. So I had bought it long gone and I don't know if Costco has this again. Oh yeah friends, again I'm losing the topic and here's the food. I can smell it so good. With all the veggies, with all the carrots, peas and ginger. Look at the spices friends, it's so good. And friends, I had made last night some kidney beans. I'll add some kidney beans also. Yesterday night I had made some kidney beans. I'm left out and kiddos love kidney beans. So I'll just add some kidney beans gravy on the top. Take some kidney beans. I've become less because we all ate. But I have less and we all can share and this is how it looks and it's so yum. You can have it with yogurt dip also, but I have little cold and allergies going on, so have the first bite. So friends, I don't eat during the camera times, but here I'm eating because I'm so hungry. It looks good, smells good, and it tastes awesome friends. I'll taste it. After you guys have eaten, I'll be eating. Awesome. So friends, I hope you all like the dish which I had made, the instant pot fried rice. It was really delicious. It smells heaven. So friends, if you have not liked my channel yet, please like it, share it, comment and subscribe. Love you all. Bye.